for your time the other day. It's just, unfortunately, we think someone else is going to be a better fit for the role. Again, thank you for your time.
Well, once again, he doesn't answer the phone. What a surprise. Look, we're done. This is just over. Just don't want to talk to you anymore. Goodbye.
The chances are, if you're watching this, then you're probably a living, breathing human being, for one, and a car enthusiast as well. But this means we've all had low moments in our lives, you know, we're all the same in that respect. I've had a fair few, I must admit, and I've never really stopped to think how I've managed to claw myself out of them. I've got great friends and family, a lovely little support network of people that can help me out if the proverbial hits the fan, but why is my brain still intact? I think it might be this.
Big surprise, this is my Mazda MX5 Mark IV. Now, I've had this car for coming up to a year. It's absolutely perfect for what I use it for. Super economical, rear-wheel drive, manual gearbox, limited slip differential. You can do the maths on that one, I think. It's been an absolute blast to drive.
The thing is, when you're going through a bit of a hard time, the best thing you can possibly do for yourself is put your phone away. Stop looking back at old text messages and photos and just do something else. It's the doing something else bit that catches most people out. This is a list of the best-selling cars in the UK for 2024. Now, all but 3 of these are SUVs, and almost all of them can be had as fully electric cars as well, which may count towards this score. Now, while I don't have a problem with that per se, as a car enthusiast looking to just drive, that poses a bit of an issue. One thing you can't do with a normal modern car is escape from your thoughts. See, you've gone through a bad time, you want to go for a drive to kind of escape it all. So you hop in the car, you start driving, and what you realise quite quickly is as long as you don't have the music on absolute full blast, you're left with nothing but your thoughts. Everything's so quiet, there's hardly any road noise, you know, it's just you in there. In the MX5, there's noise. You're having to deal with a, you know, really pin-sharp manual gearbox. You're having to think about other things. I quite like that. When I've needed it, it's been there. Sitting on the drive and ready to go. Ready for me to complain about my day. One bolt-action gear change at a time. It's therapy, to be fair, but cheaper. It's a relationship, but man and machine rather than human to human. And it can be a full-time job just trying to keep the rust at bay. But it's also a community. Now, don't laugh, but basically all of my friends have one. I don't think that's a coincidence. It's just simply a joy to drive and forget the rest of the world. So maybe you lost someone last year, need a way to express yourself. Struggling at work, that 9 to 5 feels like it's never going to end, well, put it all behind you. It's freedom. So even if there isn't anyone in your passenger seat for now, and the world seems to be closing in, go and buy yourself an MX5. It might just save your life.